Hey everybody, welcome to the Bowing Fools channel. What we have here today is the High Road 40. I just drilled this up last week. These are my first throws on it. Now let's see what this can do. This is a 16 pound, by the way. Standing on 23. Yeah, I got the 16 pound one. If you watched my drilling video, the diff on this is 0.058. And the diff on the 15 pound is 0.46, so 0.012 difference on the 16 pound. So I said, what the hell? Never owned a High Road before. It smells pretty good. It smells like pineapple, apple crumble. Pretty damn good. All right, stand on 23 again. Come back. Ah. And I drilled this one up 70 by 4.5 by 40. Once again, this is the High Road 40, so this is the 40th anniversary of Storm, the company. They were a chemical company to begin with, and they made bowling ball cleaner to help alleviate the oil that was soaking in on the urethane balls back in the 80s. Nothing spectacular about the color of the ball, but all right, 23. Nope. Okay. Thought that was gonna cross over, and it kind of just held. So it's got a very controllable shape. This is one of two 16-pound balls that I own. I got this one specifically for the high diff. I was just curious, and then the other one, the Beyond Infinity, I got for 56 bucks at Buddy's. I was like, what the hell? For 56 bucks, let's try a 16. And sorry, that's got pretty good shape. I don't really notice the weight difference on the 16s too much. There we go. All right. So yeah, if you're a 15-pound bowler normally and you've never tried 16, it is really truly not that much different. If I ever see another 16-pound ball for like 50 bucks again, brand new, I'm not even gonna hesitate and just get it. All right, 23. Nope. Ooh, I got lucky. Damn. I'm really lucky. So that one crossed over a little bit. That was 15.5 miles an hour. Let me know if you guys picked up the High Road 40 or if you have any of the previous High Roads, how you like them. Maybe if I touch the surface on this and see what it would do. So we're dealing with post-league lane conditions today, once again. So they had a league in the morning time. So we're dealing with light oil. It should be perfect for this ball. All right, stand 22. Almost left a bucket there. This doesn't have the energy to come back. Maybe I got to put more side rotation on it. A little more oomph. Oh, okay. For whatever reason, that counted as a strike. Whatever. I'm not going to deal with it. Maybe it fell as I was walking back. We will see. All right, 25. Oh my God, another one. So that was a string help there. Didn't see that. So we don't get as many messengers with strings. Still get messengers with strings, but The things we do get are that, what you just saw. And it is completely legal, folks. Like it or not. All right, 23. Oh, you dirty dog, you. You dirty dog, you. So that one says 14 miles an hour. I have a hard time believing that was actually 1 mile an hour slower than the left lane. But that's what it says. That's what it says. And we're going with the Storm Mix for the spare ball. One of my favorite spare balls to date. I tried all of them. This is definitely my favorite one. So if you're looking for a spare ball, really can't go wrong with a Storm Mix. Right. 23. Oh God, I'm getting so lucky. Okay, that was 14, so I believe that. Maybe I was going a mile an hour slower. All right, going into the 10th frame here. See if I can't finish this strong. Oh, look at that. What was that, a trip 5? Trip 5 or trip 8, couldn't tell. All right, 23. Come back. Yeah, it just doesn't. You get it too far on the outside, it will not come back for you. Like I said, if I try to do anything with surface, that would probably change that. There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, I knew that was going to happen. All right. So we got a 206 right there. We have one open frame, pretty much the 10th frame. Couldn't pick up the spare. And there is the ball. Not my best game, so I might play around with the surface a little bit. The thing about Storm, it doesn't tell you what grit this surface is. I don't think they ever do on any of their balls, so you just have to, it just says, oh, polish, oh, okay, whatever the hell that is. So my guess is probably like 4,000 to 5,000. And yeah, so, yeah, we'll see. Like I said, touch it up with some surface, see what that does. If you guys like the video, give me a like, comment down below if you have a high road, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And thanks for watching, everybody. See you in the next video.